Hello, my name is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax here in Stuart, Florida. Today we're going to take you guys through a new brokerage listing. We're standing in front of a 2024 Sea Ray 270 SDX, really the all-time classic in the Sea Ray sport line, their #1 bestseller here in the state of Florida. This is a very lightly used pre-owned boat, sitting at about 49 engine hours. Single owner boat. It's always been stored underneath this canopy, so it's been truly out of the South Florida elements, the sun and the rain at all times, out of the water, so no bottom paint on the hull. Overall, this boat's well equipped. We have the black hull side color with the upgraded 300 Mercury V8 and a windlass anchor up in the front. We'll hop on and do a quick walkthrough of the boat. Starting here on the transom, you'll see Sea Ray did a great job. All the way of an outboard engine hanging off the back. Most of you guys are probably familiar with the stern drive setup, which gives you a ton of transom space. But Sea Ray created a large transom, so great walk-around access on both sides of the outboard. And then we have a dive ladder off the starboard side with the boarding handle. In typical Sea Ray fashion, we have a large sun pad here along the aft, built-in cup holders, control over there for your stereo system, and then an abundant amount of storage underneath the seats. So this is what you get with a outboard power. This is usually where your stern drive is going to go. So we pick up a ton of storage with this engine package. As we walk through the starboard side of the boat, we do have a freshwater washdown system to rinse yourself off after swimming in the salt water. And then very rich upholstery throughout the entire Sea Ray. So you have this kind of octagon stitching. All the upholstery in this boat's in basically perfect condition. But the Sea Ray, it all comes down to social space for you and your passengers. So you can see we have a very large, expansive cockpit. So backrests do fold forward just to create and maximize the space here in this area. Centered around a teak table, which is removable. So if you want to pull it off and stow it away, you can. This boat does have, as you look up above, the upgraded sports tower. Provides a lot of shade, plus is very stylish as well compared to the standard bimini top. Here at the helm, we have a Simrad 9-inch display, so that's your command center, so that's going to do your chart plotting, your sonar, your engine data. All of your toggle switches are easily accessible. Fusion audio, Mercury throttle, and shift with the active trim. On your port side, we do have a upgraded marine head, vacuum flush head with a sink and lots of storage. As we walk forward, the SDX line is all about maximizing space. So you can see your beam on the boat is carried all the way to the bow. Creates a lot of space for your passengers up here. And then as you come up forward, you'll see you have plenty of backrests along the side. And armrests, windlass anchor, freshwater washdown. We do have a removable bow table for the front as well. Again, my name is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax, standing aboard the 2024 Sea Ray 270 SDX. Feel free to call me directly to learn more about this boat, 561-635-6811. Thank you.